Hello everyone, welcome back to a Fishing Planet Ocean Update video. In today's video I will be giving you all of the updated news about the ocean update coming soon. Before I do that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new. The new map is going to be located in the East China Sea. Close to the Japanese archipelago lies a picturesque gem known as Kaiji no Ri. This small island, embraced by the waves of the ocean. With its beautiful views, Kaiji no Ri is a haven for anglers seeking both the thrill of the catch and the tranquility of nature's embrace. The new boat system will work differently when it comes to ocean fishing. You'll need a sturdier vessel to tackle the waves. For now, you'll have two options at your disposal. You can opt to rent the Churihito Scutum fishing yacht, designed to accommodate two people on board during the fishing together session. You and your friend can fish together using two rod holders each, while also holding an additional rod in your hands simultaneously. Alternatively, if you're the proud owner of the sleek Churihito Volans fishing yacht, you'll have the luxury of bringing along 3 additional friends. Hence, it will accommodate a maximum of 4 players on board simultaneously for a fishing together adventure. Fishing together will be amazing. If you're the host inviting friends, you'll be the captain of the yacht. As captain, you'll enjoy some cool bonuses, like getting to navigate the boat first or fast-forward time for everyone on board. However, with great power comes responsibility. You'll also be tasked with finding the best fishing spots and ensuring everyone has a great time. All players aboard the yacht will experience the same time and weather conditions, which the host can select for the entire group. Additionally, the yacht will feature a storage space, eliminating the need for individual keep nets. Each angler on board will have access to about 2,000 kg of storage, ensuring ample room for everyone's catch. One more great thing about the Fishing Together feature is that every player earns additional XP for every fish caught when fishing with friends. If you're angling with your club mates, you receive extra XP for both club fishing and fishing together on one boat. Last but definitely not least is a new fishing method. By casting your rods and placing them in the rod holders, then slowly moving the boat, you'll engage in trolling. This method involves dragging baits through the water to attract large ocean fish. If you enjoyed this type of content, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more Fishing Planet videos.